Hi guys! We are here at the Forest Lodge, Baguio, and as you can see, yung nandito sa likod ko is the drop-off area. And eto is the hotel. So yung room namin is facing the parking, kaya hindi kita dito, but I'm gonna give you a quick room tour, so stay tuned! Hi guys! So upon entering the room, yan, lakad tayo. You will see a full-size mirror here. Hi! So you can see your baguiocity back. And then here, across that, punta tayo sa storage area. So yan, storage area niyo yan. You also have a powder area over here. Yan, put your makeup there, skincare. And they also will provide a blow dryer. Although, sa experience ko, medyo mabilis mag-short yung mga blow dryer sa mga hotels, like especially this kind. So anyway, yung nasa likod ko is the bathroom. Yan. So let's put the camera over there. Yan. So your typical bathroom, it's actually, yung size niya, okay siya. Maluwag na rin. So you have a sink, and you have toiletries here, provided by the hotel. And then where you pee and poop. And ang gusto ko, may anti-slippery mat. So kudos, good job for providing that. And then you also have, of course, a horizontal mirror. And then ito yung shower nila. Yan. So you can choose to use that or this one. Your typical shower. Ang gusto ko may hawakan. So okay din siya for adults. Ayan yung towels. And then let's go na to the bed. Hi. Okay, eto bed, pero eto pala muna. So, you have your mini bar over here. As you can see, they provide you with water and glasses. And then here, you have here the mini bar snacks. So, may bayad din, guys. So, I recommend bilhin na lang kayo sa labas kasi medyo mas pricey if you get from here. And then, eto naman, complimentary naman yung tea and Benguet and Sagada coffee. Ayan, tada! For coffee lovers. And, okay, look natin. Meron also refrigerator. May laman na yan na mga drinks. Ayan, Shopee for kids, soda for adults, and alcohol. Ito naman, may additional trash can ka lang. Ayan. And then, okay, tapos na tayo sa minibar. So, let's proceed with the bed. So, as you can see here, there are 2 beds. Kasha actually 4 packs dito. But, so, this room is only good for 2 packs. If may dala kayong extra adult, you must pay for the extra adult. I forgot lang how much, but I think it's 1,500. Ayun. So, anyway, here are the beds with pillows. And of course, walang aircon because this is Baguio, no? So, the breeze is cool already. But you have a fan over there. Ayan. Yan yung pinaka air resource mo here and ventilation resource sa room. Here's the TV. Ayan. And then, meron ding flower over there. Ayan. So, yung TV, I just wish it was wall-mounted. Ayan, no, instead of ganyan. Para mas elevated tingnan, diba? And then, here's your work desk area with a lamp and a mirror. Ayan. Hala! And then, eto, meron ka ding isang couch here. So, guys, eto pala, ang difference lang ng superior room and deluxe room is yung superior room walang balcony, but the deluxe room, which we currently have now, has a balcony. So, I recommend for you guys to upgrade for a deluxe room for an extra 10 square meters or an extra balcony. So, why is it worth it? This is the reason why it's worth it to upgrade from a superior to deluxe room for only 1,000 pesos. Yan. So, this is our balcony with 2 chairs, a table, and this view. O, diba? Sobrang perfect for vlogging, for your Instagram, Facebook post. Yan siya. So, eto, medyo parking area kami, but you can also request for a forest view. So, here's the look of the room from the outside.
Ayan, part 2, part 2. Part 2, ayan, yung chocolate. Eh, mainit pa to eh. Gusto mo mapaso yung ano? Wala bang pangalo? Ang laki. Eh, mainit pa to eh.
Hi guys! So we are here at Chocolate de Batirol to have our brunch and I'm gonna share to you what we like the most.
When we order, there's a lot of choices of different flavors. There's the traditional blend and also the Baguio blend, which has the strawberry flavor in it. But we prefer the original blend because I want really to taste the smoothness of the chocolate from the Batirol itself. So if you want to try it, I would prefer to try first the traditional blend, and then you can explore the other flavors such as the strawberry, the hazelnut. But for me, I really like this. Yes.
Hi guys! So after trying all the food here, na in-order namin, 3 ulam siya. My favorite is the bistec Tagalog dahil it's flavorful, tama lang yung alat niya, and makalamansi siya, which I like sa bistec. And then, yung dinuguan, I also like, but I wish it was a little bit thicker. Yung least favorite ko is the Bicol Express fish, maybe because it's something new and sanay ako sa pork. But overall, yeah, nagustuhan naman namin lahat ng food here. So guys, for the ending, ayan, nag-order kami ng bibingka. So, gusto ko na siya agad kainin, kaya hindi ko siya na kuna ng buo. But, ang sarap niya kasi may itlog na maalat siya. Tapos may kasama pang nyog. Yun. Hi guys! So, yan. Tapos na kami. Eto, dito kayo mag-rent ng kabayo. Yan, nakita nyo sa likod ko. So, rate starts at 300 depending on the minutes that you want to ride the horse. So, 300 pesos is 30 minutes. 1 hour, 600. 900, of course, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Meron din kayong iba-ibang areas na pwedeng pagdala ng horse kasama yung guide. So, here, yung sa harap ko, kita nyo, yung Wright Park. Ayan. Hello. Ay, eto, pwede nyong dalhin yung horse dito if you just want to chill ride. Ayan. Yan. Hello. Ayan. So, if meron naman silang outer lane or outside track kung saan pwede mong patakbuhin yung horse. But, you can also libot around dun sa labas nung country club or pwede rin naman kayong pumunta sa the mansion. Depende actually kung saan nyo gusto pumunta. Ayun, and if you have enough time. So, hanapin muna natin yung mga kasama natin kasi medyo nauuhaw na rin ako. So, yan. Sige. So, I'm gonna see you later. So, yun guys. Tapos na kami mag-horseback riding. And yun pala, ayan yung Wright Park sa harap. And may katapat siya na Volante, which is a restaurant. So, yung daddy namin hindi nag-horseback riding. So, ang tip ko sa inyo, if may kasama kayo na ayaw mag-horseback riding, pwede na lang silang mag-chill dito sa Volante. Ayan. Nakatapat ng Wright Park. So, eto siya. Ayan. So, let's go. So, may CR din dito. Maayos din naman yung CR niya. Ayan. Hi! Ayan. So, you can eat there, as you can see. And then, eto ang aking father. Ayan. Tapos na siyang kumain ng steak. Meanwhile, kami ang sakit ng paa namin kaka-horseback riding. Ayan. So, yun guys, bumibili kami ng balot. Magkano balot, kuya? 25. 25 daw, ayan. So, kakainin namin dito. Ayan. Ilan daw? Ilang balot? So, yan guys, kain tayong balot. Harap. Suka. Suka, pingi po suka. Thank you. Masarap ang balot sa suka at asin. So, Ba muna natin to.
Wala na. Okay na, hindi natin puntang Mansview. Ano na yung street food? Doon kasi ano, mga pusit, fishball. Okay!
Kasi yung pusit actor makunat eh. Pero sa ano sa Cebu, yung Cebu yung gano'n, baka ba nilutong?